Clamping tongs for reliably gripping artificial turf. They help to save a lot of effort when the turf webs are moved, aligned and stretched. Seam Fix presses the artificial turf onto the tape strip to ensure that the glue is spread evenly and sufficiently on both the tape and the underside of the turf. The pile fibres are straightened at the seam so that they are not glued. Turf Fix is used for clamping the turf so that the individual webs can be positioned exactly. Any folds or waves can be quickly removed. Turf Fix is particularly easy to use and does not harm the turf. The double-bladed line cutter is for cutting straight lines or circles. The line cutter also allows variable cutting widths. Center spots and penalty spots can be cut quickly and exactly with the circle cutter. Diameters of between 60 and 280 millimeters are possible. The piece cut out and the piece inserted are automatically a perfect match. Perfect cutting? No problem with the grass cutter. Whether the turf strips are cut at a curbstone or prior to gluing so that they are flush, the result is always perfect.